Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you open YouTube on Chrome. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So first thing, you want to open the Chrome browser, and this is how it's going to look. So you want to first of all go to the home page, something like this. So next thing, what you want to do is here, you could either go ahead and click on YouTube from the page itself here, or you could also go ahead and click on the three dot and you could find the apps options. You could go ahead and click that out and open YouTube. Or else the simplest way to do it so is that type in youtube.com and click on the first link that appears. It's gonna open up in the app itself, but you could go ahead and confirm it to open the browser. You could long press onto it and just go ahead and click on open a new tab or go to open in a link, and this is how you could open YouTube on Chrome Android. That's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.